Okay, good morning guys. It's me again. Today, I'm going to cook chili crab. Okay, so we need black pepper, salt, soy sauce, and then 1/4 cup of chili sauce, 1/4 cup of sriracha, and 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. And then I have 2 crabs, and I'm gonna half this one after we finish cooking. And then garlic, tomatoes, chilies, spring onions, and then white onions, and then butter. Crabs first. So we just put just a little because we're gonna put this one when we have a sauce already. So, and a little of this one. So garlic and onions only because we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients when we make a sauce already for the chili crab. Okay, it's our soy sauce. Until it's cooked. Okay, the crab is cooked. I add 1 cup water so that the one is going to be cooked right away. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna set aside this one for the sauce. So we're gonna add the butter. And then we're gonna add the garlic. Okay, so to the garlic. The tomatoes, the onions, the chilies, and the spring onions. Okay. Okay guys, so kung unsa galagana ang chilies may butang labi na ang mukaon mga bata. So pero mukaon dagko man okay ra. Okay. And then guys, okay, sriracha. Sriracha is also hot guys, okay, or spicy. Oops. And the ketchup. This. It's not soup. Oh, it's fat. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're gonna put sauce the chili crab. So I think I need little soy sauce, salt. Okay guys, so look at the tone guys. Yes, yummy na guys. Okay guys, so the crab is already cooked. So we just make it sure that it will absorb inside the crab. Okay. Let's put something inside the crab guys. Like that. Oh, we put like that. Okay guys, so we put already inside the crab. Mm. Mm. Okay, we just see so that the sauce will absorb inside the crab. Okay. With kuan na low heat. Okay. Okay, we're gonna cover this one, guys. Now we'll be right back. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to garnish spring onions. Look at that one, guys. The sauce pa lang ulam na. So depende ra, guys, kung pila ka daghang crabs inyo gamiton. So the more sauce that you're gonna make. So I only have 1/4 cup of chili sauce, 1/4 cup of sriracha, and 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, because I have only 2 crabs, but I slice into 2, so it becomes 4. Okay, so let's taste the sauce. It's yummy. So that's our chili crab. It's you know, it's chili, it's spicy. Depende ra po ninyo ang chili pila nyo ibutang kun na mga bata. So you don't need to put so much, or you don't need to put just a little only. Okay, so this is our chili crab. It's done. So it's super yummy, guys, and delicious, and it's very not super, it's easy to make only. Okay, so and yummy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bro Ja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.